In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a clean white border to a photo in Canva. Start by opening Canva in your browser. If you're already signed in, you'll land on the home page. From here, open an existing design or create a new one with the size you need. Choosing the right canvas size up front helps you judge how thick the border should look in the final export. So pick dimensions that match where you plan to use the image, like a social post, a thumbnail, or a presentation slide. Next, upload your photo and click it to place it on the design. Make sure it's selected so the editing options appear. Look toward the top left and click Edit Photo. This opens the photo editing panel where we'll do all the work. Now, click Remove Background and give Canva a moment to process. This isolates your subject and makes the border look professional because it follows the outline of the person or object instead of the original rectangular edges. If any small areas look off, you can always refine them later, but for most images, the automatic result is all you need. Scroll down to the Shadows section. This is where we'll create the border. Set the color to white so the outline pops cleanly against most backgrounds. Change transparency to 100% to keep the border fully solid and bright. Set blur to 0 to make the edge crisp rather than fuzzy. Finally, adjust the size to control the thickness of the border. A small size gives you a subtle editorial outline. A larger size creates a bold sticker-style look. Zoom in as you tweak the size so you can see how it wraps around hair, shoulders, or intricate edges. If it looks too heavy or too light when you zoom back out, just nudge the size again until it feels balanced within your layout. When you're happy with how it looks, click Apply to lock in the effect. Take a quick look at the entire design to make sure the border reads clearly against your background. If you're working on a white canvas and want the border to stand out more, consider slightly darkening the background color before you export. To finish, head to Share and choose Download. Pick PNG for sharp quality and cleaner edges, or choose JPG if you need a smaller file size. Then download your image and you're done. That's all it takes to create a clean white border in Canva. It's fast, consistent, and perfect for making your photos stand out across social posts, thumbnails, and presentations.